Hello, hi and namaskara. Welcome to my channel. I would like to thank Srijit and Rakesh ji from BikenBiker for delivering Chain Sprocket personally, and a great service from Mr. Manju from the Motorrad House, a must-visit place for all superbike service. All contact details are in description. Please check. Come, let's start the video. Front JT Sprocket, DID chain, JT Sprocket, rear.
This is the stock chain. In some places it's too tight. If you rotate it and check, it's completely loose. That means the chain is gone. This is the brand new chain of DID and JT Sprocket. The riding is very comfortable now and very smooth.